Jayanti missing.
Good evening, doctor.
Hello, how are you? Where is Jayanti missing?
She'll come. Good evening, Dr. Mohan.
Pink
Hello,
one.
how are you?
Dr. Mohan, good evening. Yes.
Good evening, Malti. How are you?
Yes, nice, fine. Thank you. Long time not
Long
seen.
time,
Yeah.
long time. Yeah.
Malti.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening to all of you. This is
Oh, good evening, sir. Good
Tyagarajan
evening.
here.
Good evening, sir.
Very good.
Good evening.
Yes, some junior gastroenterologists also in the crowd.
You can
Future.
call yourself as pancreatologist.
Sir, good evening to Tyagarajan, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, sir.
Very nice seeing
Good
you.
afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Good evening.
Good afternoon. Good
Tyagarajan,
afternoon,
sir.
sir. Good afternoon, sir. Thank
Good
you
afternoon,
for
sir.
making me.
Sir, good evening, Professor Tyagarajan, Dr. Panisamy here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you
How are you,
very
sir?
much for calling me in. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Dr. Ramakrishnan, rheumatologist here.
Hi, Ramki. Good evening.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. Fine.
Good evening, Dr. Ramakrishnan. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Panisamy here.
Thank you.
Dr. Ramakrishnan, good evening.
Good evening, Malati. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mohan.
Good evening.
Ram here.
Oh, very good. Bakle.
Ramasha.
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying politics? Namaskar Bodder.
இல்ல சார் நீங்க எல்லாம் மோடியோட தாடி பத்தி பேசினேன் அட்லீஸ்ட் இதையாவது பண்ணலாம்னு நான் நினைச்சேன். I can't neither go hair on my scalp or the beard. I can only do this.
Hi, Jeevan.
Morgan, Malati.
Yes,
Chandrasekhar, how are you?
good evening.
No, straight from the endoscope. Yeah, Chandrasekhar.
Morgan, how are you? Long time.
Fine. Endoscope பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே வந்துட்டீங்களா? Endoscope.
I heard your voice and came.
Yes,
Congratulations, Morgan.
Thank you.
And we are very proud of you.
Thank you.
TSC, you are coming out of pancreatic duct or bile duct?
Huh?
Or like
Pancreatic duct.
or like Nagi simultaneously in all the ducts.
Jeevan, Malti, Vijayam.
Nice to see you.
Chandru, good evening, and hello to Usha madam, Jeevan, and I
Ubal
think I
there,
can see
Ubal.
Raghuram, sir.
Upal,
Good evening, Mohan. How are you?
Upaldas.
Baldas ille. Ubaldus.
Sir, good evening.
Hey, your memory is so good, Krishnan sir. Your memory is so good.
One hour was it?
Sir, good evening, Raghuram, sir.
Good evening, Chandru. Good evening to everybody.
So good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Nageswar Reddy.
Welcome, sir.
Hello, Raghuram.
Dr. Mohan.
Sir, Amalli, sir, good evening.
How are you, sir? Long time.
On time.
Right, sir, bus lo Amalli, sir. Good evening.
Hello, Professor Raghuram.
Hello, sir. Hello, Ali. Hello, Ali.
Zoom meeting है
There too many people are there.
अच्छा बैठ जा काफी बनला बाहर ठीक है
Mute பண்ணோம்.
Malti.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Malti.
Good evening.
Jayanti. Usha.
Raghuram, sir.
Hey, Usha.
हेलो हाय रघुराम
Hi.
Usha, good evening, Usha.
Good evening. I think I'm muted.
You are
We
audible.
can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay. Malti, yesterday's session was so nice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. You were there. Okay. Jashwant has come. Jashwant, good evening. Jeevan, thank you for the card.
ஜெயந்தி இன்னும் ஜாயின் பண்ணல நீங்க. வாங்க வாங்க வாங்க. கம் கம் கம்.
Hello, Usha.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Fine.
Hello, Usha.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Great, great.
இன்னும் 4 மணி ஆகலையா?
4 மணி ஆயிடுத்து.
4:08 now. 4:09. Think we can start.
Yeah, I think you should. Ramakrishna is here?
I'm very much here, sir.
Hey, hey.
Krishna, how are you?
Hello.
You are the Karyakarta. You got to be there first.
I can see Nagesh Reddy here.
Always master of ceremony.
Ramki, good evening.
Nagesh Reddy.
Ramki, congrats. Hi.
Hello, Rama.
Ramki, congrats.
Thanks, yes, yeah.
Ramakrishna sir, Matthew Phillips sir. Good evening.
Hi, hi.
How is the cyclone situation there? Flood? Is it better? Rain is better?
It's not too bad. It's not too. There's a bit of rain. However, yeah. We're waiting for you to start.
Tyagarajan.
What video? You
Tyagarajan,
right?
good evening. Dr. Tyagarajan, good evening.
That means I'll have to download it from somewhere, right? Okay, I'll check. Okay, we're going to start it from okay. Okay, so you don't have it on your computer, the video. Okay, no, others I'll run the video. So I'll have to. I'll need to share my screen at that.
Private conversation is audible publicly.
Hi, Matthew.
Hi, Ashok. How is the rain situation in Chennai now?
Chennai, I'm in Vellore. Vellore has some rain, not much. How is it there?
Here nothing. Here there is no rain.
Oh. Hi, Jeevan. Hello, Jeevan. Dr. Naresh Bhatt, long time. How are you? You're muted. You're muted. My Bangalore patients keep talking about you. You're muted. I think.
I said that's the reason they come and see you. They run away from me.
Good afternoon, Dr. Naresh.
Good afternoon. Hi, Malti. How are you?
I'm fine, Naresh.
Naresh Bhatt, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Hi, Raghuram.
Dr. Naresh Bhatt, good evening. Palaniswamy here.
Hi, Palni. Can see all of you there.
Good evening, Naresh.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening to everybody.
Hello, Naresh, Christian here.
Oh, there you are. Yes, you got Shankar Narayan's name there as part of your name. So
They want to remember my father's name rather than my name. I appreciate that.
Good evening, sir. Shall we start?
Ubal.
Hi, Ubal.
Yes, sir.
Naresh.
So, good evening.
We'll start, Ubal.
Yeah. Good evening, respected seniors and friends. It's indeed a momentous occasion to have all you in our one of the landmark event of the Tamil Nadu Gastroenterology Trust as well as Tamil Nadu chapter of Indian Society of Gastroenterology. It's almost a dream to come true to have a journal of our own. And it's a sincere effort by our office bearers and editor-in-chief to bring up this journal. Before going to the main, I welcome all the chief guests and senior members. I hand over the mic to Professor Palaniswamy to welcome the audience.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome for this momentous occasion of launching of gastroenterology, hepatology, endoscopy practice journal. I'm honored to have the special invitees, and I'm honored to welcome them. The special invitees are Dr. Nageshwar Reddy, Dr. B. Mohan, Professor S.P. Thagarajan, Dr. Naresh Bhatt, Matthew Philip, and Dr. S. Ramakrishnan. And we have been planning this journal for a long time. Dr. Balasubramaniam, Dr. Ubal Dos, and Dr. B.S. Ramakrishnan took the initiative and worked hard to publish this journal. I would like to thank them. Now I request Dr. Bala to share the milestones in bringing up the journal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good evening, my teachers, invitees, and my colleagues. As a trustee of this Tamil Nadu Gastroenterology Trust and managing editor of the journal GHEP, shortly known as GHEP, I have great pleasure in inviting you all for this unique launch meeting. We are fortunate enough to have Professor B.S. Ramakrishna as our chief editor. I will say he is the backbone of the journal, and all the 4 pillars belongs to Dr. B.S. Ramakrishna. When Dr. B.S.R. asked me, Bala, can we do it on the trust name? I said, just give me half a day, sir, I'll come back to you. The half a day I was able to speak to all the trustees. Unanimously, everybody said yes. I didn't stop only with that. I caught hold of some of the pharma people also for the sponsors, and I'm thankful to the pharma people, namely the Delvin Formulation, Force, and Abbott for their support. And I take this opportunity of thanking all the people who are behind this endeavor, and I'm sure it is the budding stage. It will go well. I request all the youngsters to take up the issue and go beyond in a good way under the leadership of Dr. B.S. Ramakrishna. Thank you very much for asking me to say a few words, Dr. KRP, sir.
Thank you, sir. I think we now go to the launch of the journal. Before that, I ask our editor-in-chief, Dr. Ramakrishna, to speak a few words.
Good evening, everybody. It's a great occasion to be back with a journal here. The need for a journal was felt because, there are a lot of predatory journals on the rise in the web. And there are a lot of people who want to publish their work, but they're unable to do so because they don't have a forum for that. And they end up paying money to these predatory journals to publish their work. Essentially, we thought that we would provide this as a forum for improving the standard of academic or publication from Tamil Nadu gastroenterologists. But this, as you can see from the name, we did not want a regional name for this journal. We wanted something which would be applicable around the world, because eventually that's where we are setting our sights. We are trying to go out. We'll start with Tamil Nadu, we'll start with the rest of India, and then we hope that we'll be, as time goes on, as the quality of our articles improves, that we'll be able to set our sights higher and take it international. So in the life of a journal, always there is a certain lag period. You need to start. I mean, it's just like starting clinical practice. It takes 2 years or 3 years for you to get to know, for the patients to get to know you. Here, it's going to take 2 or 3 years for the readers to get to know us, for the people who publish to get to know us. And in the course of that time, I hope that we'll be able to set the standards adequately that people will want to publish here. I think I should stop with that. And I thank Ubal and Bala and KRP for supporting this move. And we hope that we'll do everybody proud. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And before our special invitees, we have that journal launch. Let us share the screen.
So while we are waiting, I want to say, just inform you that as of tonight, the journal will be available online. The articles will be available online. And as of January, we'll have a print version of it being distributed.
First Australian wicket to the 8th over. And
so the journal website name is www.ghebjournal.com. So please log in, everyone. Please support that journal.
You can show the journal till then on the.
Yeah, that's what we are doing, madam. We are sharing the screen. Host
I can't share.
Sir, Ramki sir, can you show the video? I guess that.
I don't have it downloaded, Ubal. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Rama, if you
Yeah.
publish an article in your journal, this our journal, then
Yes.
does it forbid me from publishing elsewhere?
No.
You see, because this
So
was a
what do you mean?
question. Huh? You know, because
No,
there's
I think
always a question asked. Has it been published anywhere else?
no, you cannot have duplicate publication. You cannot publish in one journal and
But you can slightly twist it here and there, some words. Yeah, because this question arose years ago when Habibullah was there in Hyderabad and we wanted to launch a journal. And those days only Vellore and Alda Institute and PK were publishing journals. And most of them were articles, most of them were Vellore. And they all said it's till it is a peer reviewed or gets entry into the index medicus, we may not choose this as a first preference. I think
that still holds, sir. But what we do here is that this is going to be available as open access. Now, when you have open access, there are people who are going to look at it and there are people who are going to cite this. So eventually it will get into PubMed and it will get into, the equivalent of index medicals.
Good. And why publicity should be given to all the teaching institutions all over the country, so that the postgraduates from the MD level, not only DM, MD level, they do that.